everyone. We're going to identify and graph the polar equation r equals 3 to the power of theta. So we're going to check our test and see what happens. We're going to test for symmetry with respect to the polar axis, with respect to the line, and with respect to the pole. So if you substitute in 3, and we're going to replace theta with negative theta, we do not get back to the original equation, so this test fails. For the second test, we're going to substitute in our theta with pi minus theta, see if it's symmetric to the y-axis, and these two do not equal, so this test fails. And then the third test is symmetric to the pole, and you substitute in negative r equals 3 to the power of theta, and that does not equal that equation. So all three tests fails. This is a spiral, and it's not symmetric to anything. So we're going to go ahead and assign values to theta from negative pi to 2 pi to give us an idea of what the spiral looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do some of this. 0.03, 0.2, 0.4. Now I really want to start at 0. So this is going to be 1, 2.4, 5.6, and it's growing pretty quickly. 31.5, 117.2, and then we're back around to 995. This part here just shows you when it's getting closer and closer to 0. So we don't have to worry so much about those. Let's start with 0. At 0, we're at 1. And since we're going to 2 pi, and that's going to be 995, I know I'm going to, at 2 pi, going to be swinging out this way. At 0, we're at 1, so I'm going to keep it really close inside here. At pi divided by 2, we're at 2.4. Or pi divided by 4 actually is 2.4. So that's right about there. And then at pi divided by 2, we're about 5.6. So basically it's swinging around this way. At pi, we're at 31.5. So it's a little out more. And at 3 pi divided by 2, it's out 100. Let's put 100 about here. So it's swinging around this way. And then at 2 pi, we're at 995. So it's going this way. These values here are just showing you that when you're going back negative, this is going to get closer and closer to 0. And those are really hard to graph like that. So there's your graph. Looks something like that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.